Howdy campers, welcome back to another episode of Taste Tests. Excuse the noise, we have construction and side-by-sides going everywhere and buildings being put up, water tanks being placed, and it's just a whole big thing. Anyway, our quiet little neighborhood is not a quiet neighborhood at the moment. What are we taste testing? Well, today it's another Confirmed Omnivore tries vegan, or at least vegetarian. Oh, vegan. This is Gardein, whatever their name is. Plant-based chicken and rice. Made with plant-based chicken, rice, and vegetables. And they spell chicken with K apostrophe N. So you know it's not real chicken. Actually smells nice. It looks like real chicken. What's it made with? Wild rice. Blah blah. Flour. Yeast, dried onion, potato starch. Carrots. Yeah, it doesn't spell out what makes the chicken. Anyway, it's worth a try. It's high in sodium. Not only 190 calories for the can, which is not bad at all. 47% of your daily value of sodium, though. 13 grams of protein. Yeah, but that's the chicken, and it looks like chicken from a can, pretty much. Let's find out. It's a little bit of a vegan meat texture. Let's try just veggies and rice. That part's pretty good. Anyway, it's a odd texture, but any canned chicken you get, whether it's Campbell's soup or Libby's chicken and dumplings, whoever makes it, Subi, it's gonna taste weird anyway. And it kind of tastes like chicken. So if you try to compare it to homemade chicken noodle soup or chicken rice soup, it's not going to come close. But if you keep in mind that it's canned, and you compare it to canned chicken whatever, it's not bad. It's comparable. They maybe made the chicken into half the size, the processed chunks. You probably wouldn't notice it all. So I'm surprised it's actually edible. Given the sodium, actually it's like any canned or ramen or soup, or they're all going to be over doing it with the sodium. But it's a thumbs up. It's not horrible. So that's what we've got today. Gardein, plant-based chicken and noodles. Let's let you get a look. People are towing trailers now. Anyway. Ooh, isn't it? Ooh, you want a bite? No, no soup for you. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. And